Students, in this video, we learn about glycolysis. Glycolysis is one of the most important pathway in biochemistry, and there we find the splitting of sugar. Splitting of glycose means sugar and lysis means splitting. And this process occurs in the cytoplasm of a cell. It is also called as EMP pathway, Embedden, Mayer-Hoff and Paranos pathway. And in this glycolysis, the first step involves the conversion of glucose to glucose 6 phosphate. And here this step is catalyzed by enzyme hexokinase, and this enzyme breaks one ATP, adenosine triphosphate, to adenosine diphosphate. This enzyme works more efficiently in the presence of magnesium ion. And the phosphate group released from the ATP combines with the 6th carbon atom of glucose to form glucose 6 phosphate. As we know, glucose and fructose are the isomers. With the help of isomerase enzyme, glucose 6 phosphate converts to fructose 6 phosphate. क्योंकि ग्लूकोज और फ्रक्टोज दोनों आइसोमर हैं, मॉलिक्यूलर फार्मूला सेम है, जस्ट स्ट्रक्चरल फार्मूला या फंक्शनल ग्रुप्स अलग अलग हैं. तो इसी वजह से आइसोमरेस एंजाइम कैन इजीली कन्वर्ट ग्लूकोज 6 phosphate टू फ्रक्टोज 6 phosphate. In the next step, with the help of enzyme phosphofructokinase, one more ATP is going to break down to ADP, and that phosphate group links to the first carbon atom of fructose 6 phosphate to form fructose 1,6 bis phosphate. Bis in the sense two phosphate groups, one to the first carbon atom, another to the 6th carbon atom. तो हमें मिला fructose 1,6 bis phosphate. So these steps of glycolysis from glucose to fructose 1,6 bis phosphate, it is considered as preparatory phase, where two ATPs are going to broken down. In the next step, we can find that 6 carbon fructose 1,6 bisphosphate break down to produce 3 carbon 2 products. Fructose 1,6 bisphosphate exactly center में symmetrically break down होगा with the help of aldolase enzyme, and we get 3 carbon 2 products. एक मिलेगा dihydroxy acetone phosphate, डाईहाइड्रोक्सी एसीटोन फास्फेट, और सेकेंड मिलेगा हमें ग्लिसराल्डिहाइड 3 phosphate. And here glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate and dihydroxy acetone phosphate also isomers. ये भी ग्लूकोस और फ्रक्टोस की तरह आइसोमर्स हैं. तो आइसोमरेस एंजाइम कन्वर्ट्स डाईहाइड्रोक्सी एसीटोन फास्फेट टू ग्लिसराल्डिहाइड 3 phosphate. तो टोटली हमें यहाँ पे 2 glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate मिले. In the next step, usually this conversion of fructose 1,6 bisphosphate to dihydroxy acetone phosphate and glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate is considered as splitting part of glycolysis. अब glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate को एक इनऑर्गेनिक फास्फेट ग्रुप ऐड होगा फर्स्ट कार्बन आटम पे by enzyme dehydrogenase, and this converts NAD plus to NADH also, and we will get 1,3 bisphosphoglycerate. Glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate converts to 1,3 bisphosphoglycerate. In the next step, we can find that by the enzyme phosphoglycerate kinase, this phosphate group is going to add it to ADP to form ATP. One ATP molecule is going to generate. Because of that, 1,3 bisphosphoglycerate converts to 3 phosphoglycerate. We get 3 phosphoglycerate. In the next step, this 3 phosphoglycerate converts to 2 phosphoglycerate. Here just the phosphate group shift from 3rd carbon atom to 2nd carbon atom, and we will get 2 phosphoglycerate. And now from this 2 phosphoglycerate, from second carbon atom hydrogen and third carbon atom OH group. There is a release of one water molecule, and we, with the help of enzyme enolase, and we will get phosphoenol pyruvate. Phosphoene double bond enoyl pyruvate. And next step, from this phosphoenol pyruvate, this phosphate group converts ATP to ADP, and we will get pyruvate, and this pyruvate is in enol form, means en double bond all alcoholic group. This pyruvate is in enol form, and spontaneously this enol form of pyruvate converts to keto form of pyruvate, keto form, where you can find the shifting of hydrogen to the third carbon atom, and there is a creation of keto group, C double bond wo keto group, and we'll get pyruvate.